Hey guys, it's Jen from Todd Sparkle Market, located in East Liverpool, East Palestine, Chester, and New Cumberland with this week's segment of Great Groceries. Tune in each week for great recipes and money-saving tips from Todd Sparkle Market. Save big at Sparkle this week when we make Sparky's Pizza Dip. Let's get started. Now in a pie pan, I'm just going to press down 1 block of cream cheese until I've covered the entire pie pan. So I'll spread some cream cheese in the bottom of a pie pan and then top that off with a little bit of pizza sauce. I'll top the pizza sauce off with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. And add sliced pepperoni to the top of the dip. I'll bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Remember, you can always see this recipe made on the web at www.toddsparklemarket.com. Try it out and tell us what you think of it on our Facebook page, facebook.com/sparklemarket. I'm Jen from Todd Sparkle Market with another segment of Great Groceries. Thanks for watching. See you next week.